Effective against various diseases, pomegranate juice. An increasing number of people around the world are suffering from arterial thrombosis. The cause is that the cholesterol level in the blood becomes very high due to a disordered diet, a long sitting time, and a lack of exercise. It has become clear that juice made from pomegranate juice has the function of preventing atherosclerosis and returning it to a normal state. Atherosclerosis is a disease caused by the accumulation of high lipid substances inside the coronary arteries, which thickens the endometrium. One study continued experiments in which mice with heart disease were given a pomegranate extract for a long period of time, and as a result, ingestion of pomegranate prevented lipids from accumulating in the arteries of the mice, which was highly effective in preventing arteriosclerosis. It became clear that it exerts. From the results of pomegranate research, the following effects have also been clarified. It works to lower the level of oxidative stress. Suppresses monocytic chemotactic protein 1, a chemical messenger, chemokine, involved in the inflammatory process of arteries. Suppress cardiac hypertrophy. Suppresses the accumulation of lipids in the heart muscle. Suppresses the penetration of macrophages, white blood cells that play a central role in immune function. Overactivation contributes to atherosclerosis in the myocardium. Suppresses the appearance of electrocardiogram abnormalities. Why is pomegranate so effective? Pomegranate has high antioxidant activity, but it is known to have a very high content of vitamin C and polyphenols. The main cause of cardiovascular disease is largely the lack of vitamin C. Therefore, it is believed that pomegranate is highly effective. Another benefit of pomegranate is its anti-inflammatory effect, which plays a very important role in preventing heart disease. By the action of these components, pomegranate is thought to have the effect of lowering blood pressure, promoting blood circulation, and boosting the immune system to prevent infection. Pomegranate juice lowers cholesterol levels and eliminates arterial blood clots. The pomegranate and apple juices introduced here are rich in flavonoids, tannins, and fiber, and play a major role in lowering cholesterol levels and eliminating arterial thrombosis. Ingredients: 3 apples, 1 pomegranate. How to make: rinse with water from apples and pomegranates to thoroughly wash away any pesticides or germs that may have adhered to them. Then peel the pomegranate and cut the apples. Add a little water and blend. Drink as soon as it's done. Other benefits of pomegranate juice. Drinking pomegranate juice has the following benefits in addition to purifying the arteries. High antioxidant action. Pomegranate juice has high antioxidant activity and lowers the level of oxidative stress in the blood. Many studies have shown that lowering oxidative stress reduces the risk of developing arteriosclerosis by 44%. Anti-cancer effect. Pomegranate juice has a high antioxidant effect, so it can be expected to have an anti-cancer effect. Helping you lose weight. Drinking this juice as part of your diet and exercising moderately will improve fat burning. Also, pomegranate juice has the function of excreting toxins from the body and increasing energy. Boosting the immune system. The antioxidants in pomegranate juice boost your immunity and protect your body from viruses and fungi.